Hi everybody, I'm Scott's Honest Reviews, and today I'm going to show you a industrial light, and this is what it looks like. It is extremely heavy duty, and this is the industrial light, and it also comes with its own remote control, and it also comes with its own clamp, so you can clamp it onto a table. So this is what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the day. It does have the full spectrum lights to it. So as you can see, it has a full spectrum lights. You could hang it up like this, or you could clamp it into place. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use the clamp just like this. And we're going to put the clamp into the back of it. All right, so it is so bright. I don't want to put this into the camera, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this would be an industrial light. This would be great for painting. This would be like a painter's light. Very, very bright. I don't want to put it in the direct camera, but that is what it looks like. So if you want an industrial light, a very bright light, this would be perfect.